I wish for me sounds more cover beam ba Emadek TV so yeah. If I just send the be a music canon ne and your first time I patron was subscribe am. I know I share now I like it. No di ho dance at you so omra meka Emadek abusan ko na hard or bad ya update bi e koso bi an sabeka. Yes, update bi an na me koso 10 times ni na. Yes, in sabeka. I wish for nsɛm kɔ so wiase baba nsɛm so kɔ so Ghana issues so ha yes ha nkwa so na ebe ma waso ate ka nsɛm na ɛkɔ so
As a member of parliament for the past 23 years, I have to admit that the challenge of the government and the successive governments had been unemployment. And therefore, I've taken it upon myself to make sure I reduce unemployment rate in this country. And I want everybody to believe in me, those of you watching, to believe in me that whatever I say, by the grace of God and with good health, I deliver. With experience for the 23 years as a politician and parliamentarian, one key problem, as I said, I've identified is unemployment. To move this country forward, we need to make sure that we create job opportunities, especially for the youth. How are we going to do that? Going round, so far I've visited 180 constituencies, and I've come to realize that we as politicians have done a disservice to the nation. With the arable lands, rivers, sea that God has given to us, we are endowed with so many minerals, a lot of opportunities in this country. Now, everywhere you go, especially Volta region, the resources there are untapped, and I want Ghanaians to give me opportunity and challenge me that I will make sure I turn the fortunes of this country around. I don't believe in theory. I'm a pragmatic person. I believe in practical things. What I saw in Volta region, what I saw in Afram Plains area and Northern region, believe me, that we can change this country.
I was for Hannah Medium see, yeah, Hannah Medium see. And watch out, so that the Biamican, and then your first time I will show you Emadek TV. I want to subscribe by my wife. Now I like it. Yes, now I share. And now what the home come out to be. So, Omra Meka home. No, ba update the an in Sabeka, yes. Never be a course to be an in Sabeka. Yeah, Sabeka will be a. If I show assembly by a comment in the same, then I was all can't find home. Yes, then I will can't find story where made it by you. As some person can find, but no leave you a comment section or at the Amai. Also, I didn't say no, ever my Emadek at 2 points because the enemy in an area, Juman. They are the BBN, I'm only comments now, my essay I sent you. Now the essay can't change me, yes, I can't tell you. Yeah, I had a medimusi because she was a over subscriber. Now I share, yes. Now I like it. I wasn't sure the one dance here too. Say, oh, my making Emadek Agyapong. Macron.